What? Man, they got Chinese with pinyin now? I gotta see this for myself, man. Let's just start right from the beginning. Since I'm a complete beginner today. Which one of these is coffee? Cafe, pinyin.
咖啡
Cafe, I'm in, man. Next. Cafe. Oh,
咖啡
yeah, they have pinyin. I'm gonna do it. I'm in. Cafe. I hope this recording works, man.
咖啡
Cafe. Remember, you can always use hover over words and
Ca-
see what they mean. Okay.
咖啡
I know what that means. Bam. Let's hover over it. Too late. Moving on. Which one of these is tea? Cha?
茶
Cha?
咖啡茶
Coffee, cha. So coffee, tea. Those are a good combo, actually. They actually have that 5 in a row. Which one of these is water? Shui.
水
Shui. Ah, shui.
水
Shui. I love it.
水
Shui. Water. Feel like a pro, man.
茶和水
What? Say what?
茶和水和
So, oh, 和 is
和
with or and. 茶和水. So, tea with water. I like my tea with water. And water. Oh, okay. 茶和水, tea and water.
咖啡和水
Say what?
咖啡和水
咖啡和水. So tea or water. No, 咖啡和
咖
水.
啡和水
咖啡和水. I can use my keyboard too if I want to. Oh, I can scroll down. Why isn't it full screen? All right. Select the matching pairs. Tea is cha,
茶
cafe,
咖啡
and is 和,
和
water 水.
咖啡和茶
What?
咖啡和茶
What's a slower one?
咖啡和茶
咖啡
咖啡
和茶.
和茶
Coffee with tea or coffee and tea? Oh, it doesn't show me now, eh? I better not get this wrong, man. Great work. Let's make it a bit harder. Water and coffees. So, 水
水和咖啡
水喝咖啡. Oh, my brain. Tea and coffee. 茶
茶
和
和
咖啡.
咖啡
Talking to the television, man. Coffee and tea. Why do I sound like a crazy person yelling out here all by myself?
咖
Coffee
啡
和
和
茶
茶
Do we master Chinese today or what? I mastered Chinese. Let's move to China. I'll be a president. All daily quests complete. Oh yeah, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. You earn 5 gems. And this is my 1 day. I'm on a streak. Clearly committed. What was this? I don't care, whatever. I can do it. So what happens if I get a streak? Let's take the baby steps. I don't want to get too brave. What? I haven't even finished a full circle yet? Come on, man. Bring it on. 10 XP. Double the wagers. Which one of these is rice? 米饭.
米饭
米饭. I know that voice.
米饭米饭
I know that voice. 米饭. Rice is 米饭.
米饭
米饭.
米饭
米饭. Rice. Rice. Nicely done. Which one of these is soup? You didn't teach me that one. Well, it's not cha, it's not 米饭, so it's 汤.
汤
汤. All right. Soup is 汤.
汤
This is sweet, man. I didn't like it because they didn't have the pinyin before. Tang is soup. They fixed Duolingo.
冰茶，
冰茶, so iced coffee.
冰
Iced tea, I mean. Oh, brain attack. 冰茶, iced tea. Oh yeah, iced tea, 冰茶. I like to have some iced tea.
冰茶和汤，
Say what?
冰茶和汤，
What?
冰茶和汤，
Tang, so tang is soup. So iced tea and soup. So 冰茶和
和
汤.
汤，
Here one more time.
冰茶和汤，
Oh, he wiggled his voice at
汤
the
和
end.
冰咖啡，
汤和冰咖啡. So soup and iced tea, iced coffee. Iced coffee. Let's hear her say that one more time.
汤和冰咖啡，
汤和冰咖啡. I love it. I feel like a chant.
这是茶，
这是茶. This is tea.
这
这
是
是
茶。
茶. This is tea. Okay, man, make it harder.
这是冰茶，
What?
这是冰茶，
Google text to speech. That's where that voice is.
这是冰茶，
这
是
是冰茶.
冰茶，
This is iced tea. Select the matching pairs. Tea is 茶.
茶
Rice is 米饭.
米饭
Coffee is 咖啡.
咖啡
Water is 水.
水，
和 is end. Great work. Now let's make it harder. I want to see you suffer. Rice and iced tea is 米饭
米饭
和
和
冰茶.
冰茶。
Moving on. This is tea. 这
这
是
是
这是茶. This is just regular tea, right?
茶，
这是茶. This is iced tea. 这是冰茶.
这是
这是where's 冰？冰茶。
冰茶。
这是冰茶. This is iced tea. Ta-da! Perfect. Let's invite these people. What? What? Who can you start a friendship? Invite. Everybody, be my friend. That's it? Alright, that's it. I invite you all. Practice tomorrow to prevent your streak from resetting. Maintain your streak for 7 more days. We'll double your... Sure, let's do it. Come on, man. Bring on the gems. Alright, I'm going to stop and see if this video worked out, and I'll be back in the next one.